Alright guys, so we are going to work some more on decoding words, using our context clues to come up with a definition, and then checking it with a dictionary definition, okay? So, our first one is Tom's project was brilliant, just like Albert Einstein. Ooh. Okay. So first thing you're going to do is write your word or type it. Okay, I want you to code your vowels, but remember, when there's two vowels together, those become one, okay? All right, so what I notice between my two breathes is that I have two L's that I'm going to split right down the middle. So brilliant, okay? That's two syllables. All right, so for my context clues, one thing I noticed when they said they were comparing brilliant, saying it's just like Albert Einstein. So just like Albert Einstein, I think that's my context on this one. But you have to understand who Albert Einstein is to understand this context clue. Albert Einstein, he was a genius. He was a super, super smart guy, okay? So when they said his project was brilliant, just like Albert Einstein, that tells me that the word brilliant must mean that it was pretty smart. So very smart. Okay, so let's look in the dictionary and see how close I was for brilliant. How brilliant I was. Okay, so I'm in my B's. Let's see. I'm in BU. I gotta go before that. Brilliant. Okay. Brilliant is an adjective. Okay. So I'm going to put that down here. Adjective. So it's a describing word. It says very bright. I think they're talking bright as in like light. And no. Number 2 says striking and distinctive. I don't think his project was striking. Ooh, number 3, very intelligent. Ha ha ha. Look, very smart. Very intelligent. So I was pretty close on that one. Oh, I'm getting better at these. You're going to get better at these too, I promise. Okay, let's look at our next one. I'm going to change my color on this one. Let's make it green. Okay. Mark is so clever that when it comes to math, he's able to learn things quickly. All right, so our word is clever. I'm going to mark my vowels. Now, one thing I notice, I only have one consonant, so it's going to split before the consonant. Clever. Clever. So 2 syllables on that one. And one thing I noticed for context clues is able to learn things quickly, okay? Able to learn things quickly. All right, so I almost think that could even be my definition. Mark is so, maybe smart. I like to try to fill in a word. Mark is so smart when it comes to math. He's able to learn things quickly. If you can learn things quickly, you're pretty smart. All right, so I'm going to look up the word clever to see how close I am. I'm in my C's. J. I got to say my alphabet sometimes when I do this. That's okay to say your alphabet out loud. Clever, no. Q-R. Clever. I found it. Whew, that one was a harder one to find. Okay, so this one is an adjective. So it's a way to describe somebody also. So adjective. Showing skill or resourcefulness. Okay, maybe showing skill because you're so skillful at math. Number 2 says marked by wit or ingenuity. Wit is kind of the same thing. I'm going to say showing skill is a good one. Mark is so like skillful when it comes to math, because if you have a lot of skills, you're also kind of smart. So showing skill. Because if you can show skill at something, you're being smart and you're able to learn it quickly. All right, so I think I got the right definition for my word. I want to see you do the same thing. I want to see you breaking apart your syllables, try to figure out how many syllables there are, coming up with your own definition, picking out the context clues, and looking it up in the dictionary. It's a really, really good word study practice. I want to see you doing it.